Siyempre, quarterfinals to eh. Wala talagang magpapatalo ng pagganang-ganon na lang. Expect naman namin talaga na lalaban talaga yung Cherry Tigo. So, ready lang kami din sa situation na yun.
And for Allianza, 16 attack points in this game. Personally, ano lang ba yung mga naging preparations mo? Since medyo matagal din yung naging break before going up against Cherry.
Our coaching staff made sure na we didn't get rusty talaga. We might have had other events, most especially MG's wedding last week. But Coach Erwin made sure talaga na when we get back, we had to work. And we worked double time during those times, lalo na nung malapit na yung game namin today. So, yeah, ginawa lang namin, well, I guess there was a balance of life and hard work, and I think it worked for us in this game 1.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For coaching 100 win unit.
Grabe naman yun.
Min sa career mo.
Matanda na daw siya.
Oo nga, medyo nagkakaedad na. Pero syempre, masaya at na-achieve yung 100. Pero sana mas madami pang panalo na dumating. Especially this season, this conference na madagdagan yung panalo pa. Especially sa mga next games namin.
Pakiramdam naging part ng ganyan achievement.
Coach Erwin, I'm with Coach Erwin since Ateneo, other professional teams din. So we've been together for so long. It's just so nice na magkasama pa rin kami na na-achieve ni Coach Erwin yung mga ganitong milestones. And you know, this kind of milestones also secured or polished also kung gaano siya katibay or gaano siya ka-effective as a coach. So it's just, I'm just very grateful and blessed to be under his mentorship as well.
For Adelay, if makumpleto nyo na itong quarterfinals, so that would be your 17th straight semifinals appearance, so meaning mula nang sumali kayo sa PBL, never nyo na-miss yung semifinals. So, sa journey na yun, kasama nyo si Coach Erwin and almost the entire team na rin. So, gano'n na lang din talaga kahalaga yung longevity, chemistry, and being intact na kumbaga naging greatest asset ng Dreamline over the years na.
Kind of talaga, well, it's very important to us, to the whole management, because I think we're always banking on that familiarity to be in this PVL conference and other conferences, and we'll definitely take this an advantage. Hindi madali kasi syempre it's always the question of may pagbabago ba, may changes ba, may mga things ba na kailangan kaming palitan because it's been so long, the system has been running for so long, but in the end we trust each other and we're gonna believe in each other as well. So pabor sa amin yung ganito kami katagal, and hopefully mas magtagal pa at mas madami pa kaming ma-achieve na milestones in the long run. Hopefully, Lord.
And for Coach, ngayong taon, mula nung last year po yung Grand Slam, then ngayong year, coaching, and yung Cleveland. So habang tumatagal po kumbaga yung responsibilities din tumatami sa inyo, pero gano'n ba na po siguro ka-privilege to be in a position na you're coaching two great teams at kumbaga tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung success mo at this point sa head coaching career mo?
Siyempre, ako naman yung situation na nandyan palagi, yun lagi yung pinaghahandaan namin. Yung past kasi medyo nandyan yan, pero nakafocus kami dun sa future tsaka mga next game. Dun lang naman ako nagpo-focus palagi. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy and mag-improve pa palagi yung team na hinahawakan ko, kasi mababait naman talaga sila. So mga masunori naman. So ganoon naman talaga, kailangan yung chemistry ng coaches and players okay naman.
Coach, speaking of next game, yung game 2 will be on Saturday. So ano lang yung mga nakikita mong areas of improvement pa na kailangan yung work on a team before game?
Siguro, balik muna kami sa, panonoorin ko muna ulit mabuti. Mahirap kasi magsabi ng kung ano yung naging lapses. Siguro, balikan muna ulit namin yung game ngayon. Then, wala munang break. So, hindi pa kasi tapos yung trabaho. May game pa sa Saturday. So, balikan muna namin yung game ngayon. Panoorin muna ulit namin.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you.
Yay! Thank you, guys!